For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Controversial filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma has stirred a storm by announcing his next project titled Murder. The story is based on a gruesome killing of a Dalit man who had married a girl from an upper caste in Miryalguda. The filmmaker made the announcement on Father's Day and spent the rest of the day justifying his decision to make a film on the controversial topic to trolls. As per reports, Amruta Varshini had married the 24-year-old Dalit youth against his wishes and was pregnant at the time of her husband's death. The two had fallen in love while they were in college. Amruta's father, Maruti Rao, allegedly hired a hitman to kill his son-in-law in return for 1 crore rupees. The murder was captured on CCTV camera and widely circulated. Kangana Ranaut has been exposing the Bollywood film industry for quite some time. This time, she has ranted against a popular fashion and lifestyle magazine. Kangana claims that she has been snubbed by Vogue magazine on 3 occasions. The 33-year-old claims that she shot with the magazine on 2 occasions but never made it to the cover magazine. The Manikarnika actor claims that even though she was ill-treated by the magazine, Vogue continues to use her pictures. Kollywood superstar Vijay turned 46 on Monday. While his hardcore fans are waiting for his upcoming films, critics are observing his moves closely, assuming he will take the political plunge soon. The actor has been building his image as a man for the masses in real life too over the last decade or so. While Vijay has always maintained a subtle tone about his political ambitions, he made it quite clear that he will soon turn politician during the audio launch of his previous film Sarkar. It is being said that Vijay is waiting for the right opportunity to take the political plunge. Abhishek Bachchan has revealed that he admires Kollywood superstar Vijay as an actor. Junior Bachchan even wished Thalapathy on his birthday through social media. The untimely demise of Sushant Singh Rajput has turned the heat on nepotism in Bollywood. Star kids are being attacked and trolled on the internet, and Sonam Kapoor has become an easy target. However, the 35-year-old taught trolls a lesson they will remember for a long time. The actor acknowledged her privilege as a star child and said that her identity is a matter of pride for her. Going by her tweets, Sonam was angry at people instigating others to comment badly on her account. What irked her most were comments on her father Anil Kapoor. She requested trolls not to target her parents on social media. An old video of Shah Rukh Khan has the actor explaining the audience that the jokes he cracks at award shows are scripted. He claims that the people he cracks jokes on are informed in advance and they know what they would be told. He also said that it is wrong and tries to avoid it as much as possible. The video comes amidst the growing hate against Bollywood A-listers after the sudden demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushmita Sen has given a classy reply to her fans who asked her to comment on nepotism. She claims that she will continue to work in the film industry by focusing on her audience and nothing else. Arbaz Khan has revealed that he is not interested in fighting with Dabangg director and filmmaker Abhinav Singh Kashyap other than taking the legal route. Abhinav had accused Salman Khan's charity foundation Being Human as a money laundering tool. If reports are anything to go by, then filmmaker Karan Johar's upcoming chat show Coffee with Karan could be cancelled due to the ongoing controversy over Sushant Singh Rajput's death.